Hi guys, welcome back. It's Shalene if you're new. I'm just going to explain what has been happening in these past few months in my life. I was very busy over the summer. Didn't think I was going to be, but I was. There's a zoo in my area, kind of, and I'm now old enough to volunteer there, so I did that this summer. And of course, you know, time with family, went to visit some relatives, you know, just lots of stuff that I didn't think was gonna happen this year. And then school started and October rolled around and the zoo had this event going on all of October, so I did some volunteering there as well. So that's why I haven't been uploading. I've been really busy and pretty lazy, to be completely honest. I have filmed several videos, but eventually the editing process got very tiring, physically and mentally. Watching yourself over and over and over is exhausting and, quite frankly, not great. Personally, I think it puts a lot of pressure on your looks, and just subconsciously. So I took a break from editing, and I think my plan is to just not nitpick everything, you know? Like, of course, if, you know, my phone starts to ring or, like, some things need to be edited out, right? Just for the ease of the viewer. But, like, if I slip up my grammar here, just don't cut it out. Like, it's a normal thing, right? Like, so I didn't mean for this to get all deep. I just meant to say thank you for sticking around. I do have a couple things to say. First of all, I bought a lot of new stuff, so should we just kick off my return with a haul? Why not? Let's do that. Also, I did film a time-lapse this morning of me cleaning. The thing is, I had the hiccups whilst filming the intro and outro, so I think I'll just slip a time-lapse in, because it's actually pretty satisfying, I think. And I'll just do a quick little haul for you. So let me just get the clothes and other things. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the stuff. Also, throwback. This is the background that I used for my intro, my welcome to YouTube. It's funny how much I have changed. My hair's grown out. It's not ugly anymore. Oh, do you remember the green? No. I don't know what happened. Actually, yes I do. I do know what happened. Oh, there's more stuff. Hold on. Well, now I can't find it. Oh, there it is. I won't show you that. Yeah, but like, so much has changed. Oh my goodness. Love that. Okay, so first things first. I don't think there's anything new on the wall. Yeah, okay. So, we won't go in order. We'll just pick stuff. I got this hoodie. Also, I've worn this stuff, obviously. This is my favorite hoodie of all time. Got it at Blue Notes. It's so comfy, and it's black. I haven't had a black hoodie in a very long time. So, and it's just so warm and fuzzy. It goes with everything. It's wonderful. And just some normal black sweats. I needed some new sweatpants. So there they are. I don't think I've showcased my love for vinyls a lot on this channel. At least not that I can think of. But for my birthday, my best friend gave me some record money to buy a record. And it took me forever to get one. First of all, my favorite band, Queen, it's like out of stock everywhere in Canada. So they finally had the records in. And I got my favorite record of all time. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. And the inside, it's wonderful. The actual record is just black, but still, absolutely wonderful. So, thank you so much for the 1000th time, Lilia. It is just wonderful. And I never filmed, well, I did film a birthday haul, and then it never uploaded. And I don't even know if I have it saved on my hard drive, but it's pretty late to do a birthday haul considering my birthday was 6 months ago. The next record is, I got these ones used, and guys, buy used records. They are like the record store in my area. He's a great guy, like top-notch dude, Steve, awesome guy. And he checks his records, and he will tell you this is kind of scratchy or it's great quality, it's just used. So you get a discount, but you still get a great record. So I got Jazz, another Queen record, obviously. And oh yes, classic. This is in Switzerland, and like I love that. That's so beautiful. Also, I have my mirror. Oh shoot, have I been looking at the mirror? I have a mirror set up as kind of a viewfinder because I don't have a viewfinder. But this is another great record. Love this one. My friend and I have a little inside joke with this record, Jazz. I will have to put that in later. Next we have Fleetwood Mac. This is my first Fleetwood Mac record, but Rumors is a really good album, so love, oh, excuse me, love that for me. Oh yeah, this one doesn't open up. It's just a sleeve, but they have really good music. Love Fleetwood Mac. Moving on. Candle. This candle smells so good. Let me tell you the backstory of this candle. Well, first let me tell you the name. Rosewater and Ivy. So, my aunt's place is near the zoo, and she had this soap in this scent for the longest time. And sometimes I would just wash my hands just because the soap was there. Like, I would be like, I'm just gonna go wash my hands. Because the soap smelled so good. So, I go to Bath & Body with my cousin. I'm like, Olivia, I am getting this candle scent. So I bought it. That's the story. It smells delicious. I would highly recommend that you get it. It was very expensive, but it's a great smelling candle. Next I got this new Pink Floyd shirt. I love it. It's not, it looks cropped, but it's not. It's just like the perfect length. I also got it in a, no, this is my normal size. So, love that shirt. It's so comfy too. And this one, it was a BOGO sale, so I don't know if I got this one half off or free or something. I don't know, but I don't hate it. I mean, it's not my favorite shirt, but it's pretty cute, so. Yeah, there's the haul. One last thing that I'll add is I have a podcast now. Haven't uploaded there in a while, but I'm going to record an episode tonight. And that stuff doesn't take effort to do. It's like I just speak and then it goes onto the interwebs. So, I'll link that down below. Also, I'm selling a Lego set. I'll link the Kijiji link down below. And what else? I'm gonna try and upload regularly. Don't hold me to it. Pressure is not great. But I'm gonna try, okay? And that's all that matters. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you next one. Bye!